AI art generators are now ubiquitous. Many AI tools like Midjourney are capable of generating outstanding designs from text prompts. But the main problem comes in when it's the matter of control net. For example, you want this character as this one. You can't do this by entering a text prompt with an AI image generator like Midjourney or Leonardo AI. Don't worry, today I am going to share an AI tool that can overcome this issue. Not only that, you can generate outstanding designs from your rough drawing. Without further ado, let's dive in. Introducing Pikaso Art, a free AI art generator by Freepik. Freepik is a stock media site. Here you can make money by uploading images and videos. That means now you can make money by creating AI art created by Freepik Pikaso Art Generator. To access Pikaso by Freepik, open your browser and search for Freepik. Now click on the first link. This is the Freepik dashboard. You download or upload copyright-free stock images or videos from here. Come to the top of the page. Here you will find the main menu. Select the AI image menu from here. There are few AI tools for generating images. Select the Pikaso from here. After coming to this page, click on Try Pikaso Now. This is the Pikaso real-time AI art generator page. Now if you are new to Freepik, you have to create an account. You can connect with your Google or Facebook account also. I will go with my Google account. Alright, we are ready to create our own masterpiece. Here you can see an example image. On the left side is the input panel. Here we have to draw or insert our element. And in the right panel, you will see the live output. If you want to replace any object, select the Select tool from here. You can see when you move any object, the design is changing. If you want to draw any object, select the Paint tool and then come to the input canvas and then draw your design. You can see the design is changing, but don't work so much because our prompt is not associated with our draw. In the next step, we will discuss it in more detail. Alright, you can add various objects and shapes from the Pikaso library. To do this, come to Icon tabs. Here you will find a vast number of icons or shapes. You have to select from them. For example, I am selecting a dog icon, and you can see the result. Now if you are unable to find a desired icon, you can search for it. Just come to the search bar and search for your desired shape or icon. Alright, now let's jump to the next step. You can draw with your mouse and then enter a prompt, and AI will generate a design for you. For example, I want to draw a ship on an ocean. I am drawing the ocean. I know it's looking funny. I am not a designer at all. After that, I am drawing a boat structure.
Are you comedy me?
I am sorry. I want a sun or moon in the sky. This is our input and output. That's horrible. Okay, to fine-tune our design, we have to enter a prompt. Come to the prompt box above the preview panel. Now enter the prompt. For example, I am entering a very simple prompt, a ship and an ocean, and then add the style as watercolor. And here is the result. That's really amazing, isn't it? Let me know in the comment section. And if you're enjoying the video, hit the like button. Alright, you can control the intensity by changing the imagination value from here. You can notice when I reduce the value, the design becomes more assembled to my drawing, and when I increase it, it becomes more creative. Alright, now let's create another design with the icon. This time, I will enter a prompt first. After entering the prompt, come to the Icon tab and enter your desired item. Now if you are not satisfied with the result, then you can create variants. To do this, click on Reimagine from here, and here is it. Pikaso generates variants for you, and it's a huge collection. No other AI tools generate so many variants. Now you can select one of them and finalize your design. Once you finalize the design, you can enhance it by clicking on the Enhance button. Now you can see the difference between the original and the enhanced image. Now select the imagination model and resolution. After that, hit the Enhance button to enhance the image. Now our image is a 4K size image. Another interesting feature of Pikaso is that you can see the workflow. To do this, click on the playback button, and now you can see the workflow. You can download the video and upload it on your social media to increase engagement. Alright, now to save your AI art, click on the download icon from here. Here you can download the image with the composition and without the composition. In this way, you can generate unlimited AI art from your rough drawing and then make money by uploading it on Freepik. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of generating AI art with your drawing. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.